Hello, and welcome to the guided tour of EmergiTrack by Market Systems. This is going to be a very informal tour in how to use EmergiTrack and the functions of it, what it does, and what it's capable of. We'll just go ahead and dive in here. and this is the login screen in front of us. And the first step to get into EmergiTrack is obviously to log in. Your login and password will dictate what you are and what you are not allowed to see once inside EmergiTrack. So we'll go ahead and log in. I have set up a user already, demo, along with the password, and we'll go ahead and log in. When you log into EmergiTrack, the the first thing that you'll see is there's a series of tabs along the uppermost portion of EmergiTrack. The first of these tabs is the Charts section. The Charts section is automatically generated when you enter your run volume into the EmergiTrack system. A run volume, which we'll see later, can be entered manually or can be entered through CSV file. So we won't worry about that for right now. We'll just take a look at the Charts dashboard here. What you can see here is we've got some links on the left that'll show us our current month, our current company year to date, and our company's previous year, along with facility charts. Here in the dashboard, you'll see the current month, which is June 2011, and you'll see the runs that we've done for this month so far. And the way to read this graph is on the first, second, and third, right, we only did one run. On the fourth, we did 7. And this shows our current daily average for the month of 2.5. Now this is all demo data, so it's not real. So there are going to be some little strange things here and there, but bear with me. Down here we can see our top callers for the month. This area will list the 10 top callers for our company, or people who have ordered transports out of the company. You can see that James Strangehold has ordered 2 calls this month, and Valerie has ordered 2, as well as Adele. And these are our top callers. Now, obviously, these numbers are probably low for your company, but like I said, this is demo data. So we'll go ahead and look at what's displaying here is the current month. So we'll go ahead and go to the company year to date. Now this will show us the top callers for the year, so far this year, and it'll also give us a graphical representation of how many runs we've run each month for 2011. EmergiTrack, like I said, will automatically generate all these graphs for you, saving you tons and tons of time trying to analyze all of your run volume and pick out opportunities and basically find where you need to focus on. I know that, speaking from experience, this system has saved me several hours a day in analyzing run volume and facility run volume on an individual basis and caller volume, etc. Now, of course, we can go look at the company's previous year as well, and these graphical representations are provided just to give you a real quick glimpse or a snapshot into our overall volume. Where this really starts to get helpful and useful is in the facility charting sections of EmergiTrack. So we'll go ahead and click on Facility Charts. And from the drop-down menu we're provided, all we have to do is pick a facility that we want to look at, and all these are, of course, just demonstration facilities. But we'll look at one that I know that I put in some numbers for, like White Pines Nursing Home, and we'll submit this query. What happens after we've inserted White Pines is that we'll get the daily runs for the month out of White Pines, as well as down here you'll see the monthly runs for 2011 for the current year. You can see that today is the 4th. I don't know if you can see that or not, but today is the 4th, and last month we ran 12 runs out of White Pines, and this month so far it looks like we've only run about one call. So if this is if we're not at least keeping up with our average volume, we will get alerted to that. The system will let us know, and you'll see that in just a moment. But so we can go back and we can go to facility charts, and we can pull up a chart for any facility we want to. Okay, we can see that current year's runs from Medlift Air Ambulance has fluctuated a bit. Obviously, demo data again. That's the chart section. These are the charts that are available now, and we are of course adding charts and other functions all the time. So, but this is at least the basic view of it. So now we'll go to the next tab, which is the Alerts tab. The Alerts tab is probably one of the more functional and more useful parts of EmergiTrack in that it really saves you a ton of time looking over each and every facility. Once you enter the runs into EmergiTrack, like I said, it calculates everything for you and basically just spits out the information we want. So we'll go ahead and click on Alerts.